Hello folks, welcome back or welcome if you're new. Happy Monday. Hope everybody has a blessed week this week. The plant we're looking at here is Comfrey. Also, Carolyn said it's called bone knit, where people used to, if they broke their bones or something, this will actually help mend the bones together. And it's good for various different things. But anyway, what we're making from it today is a quick fertilizer. Now you can put it in there, and we'll be doing that one there later on. She's wanting all this cut down, but for today's purpose, we're just going to be needing 4 or 5 leaves. And what we'll do, we'll cut us off 4 or 5 leaves, tear them up real good, take it in the house to the blender, add some hot water, and you'll have instant fertilizer. The other way, we'll let it ferment and steep. Now this here shouldn't be too smelly here, but from what I understand, when you let it ferment like that and all, it will have an odor to it. But you can use other plants too, dandelions, stinging nettle, different things like that there you can blend up and make fertilizer. And you can have you a mixed mash of it there too. Put several different plants together. Like some of them are better for calcium, phosphorus, different things like that there. But this here is really good for tomatoes and peppers. It's good for any kind of plant that's heavy feeders. Tomatoes and peppers both are heavy feeders. But we'll take you inside here now. I'll meet you in the house and we'll get the blender and stuff out and we'll show you how we make it. And just in case I forget after a while to tell you here when I get in the house. Now this is going to be a powerful fertilizer. You'll need to dilute it down. 1 part of this mixture to 10 parts water, or else it says it'll burn the roots and everything. We don't want that to happen. No. So we may even go just a little bit stronger in the dilute there. Maybe 11 parts water. Don't want to take no chances. We've done got this far in the planting season. We don't want to ruin anybody's crops. But we'll give it a try. I'll see you in the house, guys. Alrighty. Got our leaves in here. I went ahead and got 6. Now all we're going to do, we're just going to help the blender out a little bit. Chop them up some here or cut them using a pair of scissors. Now, we're just going to put these down in the blender to make our garden smoothie for plants. Now, I've got some hot water here. It's not boiling, just it's hot. Let's get us some more. One more should do it. Uh-oh, making a mess. Grab me a towel. It's been one of them days. Can't even pour water without spilling it. Tell you what, let's give this a try. Hopefully you can see in the blender here. That'll help feed the microbes in the soil. It'll just be an extra little boost to it. And like I said, we'll let that sit for 24 hours. you can do it for 1 to 2 days. So it'll work out pretty good. Tuesday evening, we'll give it all a drink up there with it, and we'll see how the results are. This is great for heavy feeders like tomatoes, peppers. Alrighty, we've got our water right here. Let me go down just a little bit more for you there. We're going to get brown sugar. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Let that be dissolving. And I'm going to get 1 tablespoon. Let me clean the spoon up here. One tablespoon of yeast. Gently stir that there. And like I said, we'll add that to it. We want to let the water in our blender cool down. We don't want to kill the yeast. You want lukewarm water for your yeast. Now this that Carolyn uses, she buys it in a block. What you get is instant, isn't it, Shug? She keeps it in the freezer. Alrighty. I'll give that another stir here in a minute. Now, once this here cools down, it's still pretty hot. We'll add that to it and let it set for 24 hours. 48 if you want. And then, like I said, we'll strain that out. And then 1 part of this mixture to 10 parts water. Remember, we don't want to burn our roots up. Alrighty, folks, I hope this helps you out. Pretty close to being free fertilize. I'll leave a thing on the video there showing some of the other plants and what benefits they have and everything. I hope y'all have a blessed week. Lord willing, be seeing you Wednesday. Don't know yet what we're having, but let's hope it's good. Thank y'all for watching.
Homeland's homestead in the springtime. Morning sun breaking through the trees, fresh cut grass and a cool spring breeze. Baby goats bouncing full of life, little hooves dancing in the morning light. Garden rows lined up straight and true, hands in the dirt, got work to do. Seeds in the ground, faith in the rain, watching everything come up again. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. Mama goats calling, babies run, chickens scratching in the sun, windmills spinning nice and slow, thankful for this life we grow. Every sunset paints the sky, seasons change but so do I. Right here's where we're meant to be, living slow and living free. It's springtime on Homeland's homestead life, waking up, no time for bed. From bottle babies to garden rows, this is the life we love and know. Yeah, the fence line holds our dreams instead of any road we could have led. Just simple living, hearts wide open, springtime on Homeland's homestead. So we'll keep on growing day by day, sharing this life the country way, from our home out here instead. Thank you for watching from Homeland's homestead.